to my channel. My name is Tracy, and for today's tips and tricks video I'm showing you a very basic tip, and this is how to make your card bases. So here in the South Pacific we actually have A4 cardstock. So these are the two here. I've just got a Coastal Cabana and a thick Whisper White. I always make my card bases with thick Whisper White. I find it's just a little bit thicker and it holds the card a little bit better. So I'm going to also bring in my paper trimmer. So I'm going to make a couple of card bases. Now with here in the South Pacific with the A4 you're going to get 2 card bases per A4 sheet. So it's really easy to do. Now there's 2 ways that you can create card bases as well. So I'm going to show you one in the Coastal Cabana and one with the thick Whisper White. So the first one I want to show you is in the length long ways. We're going to pop that through the trimmer, and half of the A4 sheet this way is 14.9 centimeters. This measures 29.6 centimeters. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it in at 14.9 centimeters or 5 7/8, whichever one works for you better. And I'm just going to cut that straight in half. And there is our 2 card bases. Let's score them in the middle as well, because that's always the easiest way to do it. And to score in the middle, you're going to score it at 10.5 centimeters or 4 1/8. So there's one. And let's go and do this one as well. So we've got 2 card bases from that one piece of A4 cardstock. So that's one way to make your card base. The other way is to pop it in the short ways, and this one we're going to cut at 4 1/8 or 10.5 centimeters. Cutting that straight in half. So once again we've got 2 card bases. Let's chop this in half again at 14.9 centimeters. There we go. And we're going to score that one, not chopping it. You don't want to chop that one. And let's do the other one as well. So we have 4 card bases here from 2 pieces of A4. I'm going to fold and burnish so I can show you the 2 different styles of card base. My bone folder's dirty. There's one. So it just depends on your card layout how you're going to cut it and score it. So we have this one that can open this way for the traditional card front. This one opens top folding, so that way, or it can fold open that way. So hopefully that helps. I have put the measurements in the description of this video just to help you out a little bit more as well. If this has helped you, please give me a thumbs up and I'd love it if you left me a comment. Don't forget to hit subscribe as well. I've got plenty of tips and tricks every Monday coming out to you, so hopefully you're enjoying this series. Okay, until next time, have a wonderful day and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.